History of Halloween and Indian festivals which are similar to Halloween. Halloween is celebrated on October 31st every year, and the central part of this festival is costumes, mask, candy, ghost stories, trick and treat. This festival dates back to more than 2000 years. The Celts lived in Europe, northern France, Ireland, England, Scotland, Wales, Brittany, and parts of British Isles. These pagans celebrated a glorious festival called Samhain, which represented the change of season from summer to winter, and it was celebrated on November 1st every year. The Celts believed that the boundary or the veil or door between the spirit world or other world and earth is very thin or transparent on this day, particularly between the time of dusk and dawn. They believed that the dead rise on the eve of Samhain and ancestral ghosts and demons come to roam the earth on this day. Their priests, who were called Druids, told them to light fires at the village borders to keep the bad spirits away. They offered fruits and vegetables to their ancestors. They were keeping the food outside of their homes so that their dead relatives can come and relish these. Presence of good spirits help them to make predictions about the future, like who will live, who will die that year, who will become sick, or who will get married to whom. Then Romans conquered Celts and brought harvest festival with them. This festival was dedicated to goddess Pomona. Then churches came there. Churches found it very difficult to abolish this festival, so they made a Christian version of it. Christian churches replaced Samhain with All Saints' Day, also called All Hallows' Day. Hallow means holy or to respect greatly. All Hallow Eve is the evening before All Hallows Day, and then Hallows Eve became Halloween. In Ireland and England, Soling was celebrated on November 2nd every year. Poor people went from home to home to get soul cakes, and then they prayed for the dead relatives of givers. Initially, Soling was charity, but later on, people started going to neighborhood houses and asked for money and food. Then it slowly evolved into trick or treating. Soling evolved into guising also. People started wearing costumes so that bad spirits could not identify them. In USA, early colonists used to gather to celebrate the harvest and dead spirits. They shared ghost stories too. Irish people brought the custom of costumes, trick or treat, carving and jack-o'-lantern to USA in 19th century when they came here in large numbers. In Ireland, farmers carved turnips and lit them to scare ghosts away. As pumpkins were abundant in USA, people started carving pumpkins and making jack-o'-lanterns from them. In 1950s, Halloween became a kids-friendly holiday with importance on costumes, candy, and trick or treating. Today's Halloween is a mixture of Celts Samhain festival, Romans Harvest festival, Christians All Saints Day, and Ireland's Soling festival. Some similar festivals in India. People say that Dashera is similar to Halloween. I believe that Dashera and Halloween are not similar. First of all, origin is different. Halloween means costumes, candy, trick or treat, warding of evil spirits. Dashera is victory of good over evil. There are no costumes, no spirits. People do not wear masks. They do wear new clothes and distribute sweets, but no one goes to other person's home and asks for candy or sweets. Shraddh is celebrated for 15 days in Ashwin month by Hindus. It is believed that dead people come on earth during this time. There is no assumption of bad and good spirits. Shraddh is done for all dead relatives. Clothes and food items are given to pandits, believing that it goes to dead relatives. But again, there are no costumes, no disguising, no tricks or treating, and no pumpkin, no turnip carvings. Teshu Jhanji festival in India is celebrated on Navratri Eve. Boys take Teshu, which is made up of 3 sticks connected at one point and a clay skull sitting on that. Girls carry a small perforated clay pot with a diya inside it. Children go from home to home singing Teshu song. टेशु झांझी गए बाजार वहाँ से लाए आम का अचार मेरा टेशु यहीं अड़ा खाने को मांगे दही बड़ा. And then they go from house to house asking for money and food items, etc. Again, there is no mask, no costumes, no witchcraft, no bad spirits. Teshu head doesn't represent bad spirit. It represents a character from Mahabharata, and on this festival people offer respect and remember this character from Mahabharata. Bengalis in India celebrate Bhoot Chaturdashi in October. They light lamps inside the house to keep away evil spirit and light lamps on the roof, verandas and balconies to show path to dead relatives who come and walk on earth on that day. Again, no mask, no costumes, no pranks. Date of Halloween is fixed, 31st October of every year. Date of Dasera is not fixed if we go by English calendar, but as per Hindu calendar, Dashera comes on 10th day in Ashwin month every year. And some people think that Halloween is a Christian festival, but it is not. As I said, it's a mixture of, nowadays it's a mixture of original Celtic Samhain festival, Romans Harvest festival, Christians All Saints Day, and Ireland's Soling festival. Christian churches tried to stop this celebration in the beginning and persecuted people for supposedly doing witchcraft. Even the animals which were associated with this festival, for example, black cat, owl, etc., which are nocturnal and used to come out during night, were not spared.